Hi friends, welcome to IT Core. In this session we are going to see about forward only cursor from SQL Server. Forward only cursors does not support scrolling. It supports only fetching the rows serially from the start to the end of the cursor. So we cannot use prior and first after fetched. So we can only use fetch next, and the rows are not retrieved from the database until they are fetched. The effects of all insert, update and delete statements made by the current user are committed by other users that affect rows in the result set are visible as the rows are fetched from the cursor. So this seems like to be like a dynamic cursors and with usable movements with only fetch next. Let us check the simplest example for this. Here we consider one table student with the student ID and student name. Going to declare cursor student, cursor forward only. This is the syntax for forward only cursor. For select student ID, student name from student and open student and fetch next from cursor. Before that we have to declare the column variables. The same data type of fetch columns list into that column variables while fetch status. Within this while going to just print that student name and assign the cursor movements. So after the data process completion, close the cursor and deallocate the cursor. So this is the simplest cursor for forward only type. Here just to declare the two column variables and assign one SQL statement and open the cursor and fetch next. Within this while loop, just going to print that student name. See, the output will be like this. Because the actual data are there are 3 rows, just print their student names. Here it will accept that changes made on database for this table. So fetching this cursor, it's from real time table, real data from the table. For each and every fetch, it will look at the table. Is there any changes made on the table? It will reflect the changes. See, there is one more session. Going to update that student. Set student name is equal to where student ID is 3. The actual data in the table is the 3 for David. Here going to one update statement with the student name with student ID 3. Here after that open cursor, command for delay for 3 seconds. So within this cursor execution, here we are going to update this updation. So this cursor accept the changes made on the table and return the proper data. See, first execute that cursor and again the updation process completed, and it will return the updated new one. So this type of cursor, that is forward only cursor, will accept the changes what changes are made on the table. So it will accept the insert or delete or update commands. So the main thing, we cannot use other fetch types. See, fetch first from that cursor. We cannot use this. It will raise the error. See, okay, it will wait for 3 seconds. See, the fetch type first cannot be used with the forward only cursors. Forward only cursors only will accept fetch next. We can consider as this forward only static type forward only cursor, and we can use dynamic. The default forward only will accept the dynamic, and static will not accept. See the changes. We want to update the tree with David. See the simplest example for forward only static type cursor. Syntax is cursor forward only static. See, it does not print David. See, this is a cursor area, and here going to update tree with David. See, so it does not accept the changes because it was forward only static. That's why this cursor will not accept the changes what are the changes made in the table, because static type cursors will not accept the changes. Dynamic type cursors only will accept the changes made on the table, and we use dynamic. The actual data is David. Going to update it. See, now we execute the cursor and again updation. So it will accept the changes. So these are the forward only cursors. We can use forward only cursors for static and dynamic type also. Hope this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.